I want to welcome you to the GLP-1 Strong program. I'm really glad you're here. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that you can pause, rewind, and rewatch this video as many times as you need to. There's no rush and nothing needs to be memorized. This is just an orientation to walk you through the program so that week 1 feels calm and comfortable and not overwhelming. You don't need to take notes and you don't need to do anything perfectly. This is just to give you context. The GLP-1 Strong program is designed to give you support early on. It will then help you build confidence and independence over time. You'll have weekly coaching calls weeks 1 to 4 and check-in calls weeks 6, 8, and 12. Those later calls are where we're going to adjust, troubleshoot, and make sure we're building habits that last well beyond the medication. Everything in this program is layered intentionally. You're not expected to master everything at once, and nothing is meant to feel rushed. Most of what you're going to interact with lives inside the web portal or the app, whichever you prefer. So let's talk about how that's organized. Your workouts are going to be found under programs, and those will include video descriptions as well as guides. Your handouts and resources will be found under guides, and if we choose to track nutrition, you'll find that under the logbook. All messages and check-ins will happen right inside the web portal or the app. Handouts are going to be released gradually, so if you don't see everything right away, that's intentional. Nothing is missing. If you're using the mobile app, make sure you turn on your notifications so you get the reminders for messages and check-ins. If you're using the web portal, just know that it doesn't send notifications, so you'll want to check in periodically so that you don't miss anything. Go ahead and use whatever setup works best for you. Each week, you're going to get a short check-in questionnaire. You don't need to prepare for it, and there's no right or wrong answer. It's just a way for me to understand how the week went for you. Your responses help me see patterns in energy and appetite, what felt manageable, and what was really challenging. That way, when we coach, I'm not guessing. I'm supporting you based on what's really happening. The more honest that you are, the more useful it is for both of us. You'll see short daily messages in your app. They're just going to be quick reminders of what we're working on this week. There's no homework, there's no instructions, and there's no need for you to reply. Some days you'll find them helpful, and some days you're going to ignore them, and both options are fine. Think of them as background coaching support in between your check-ins, so it keeps things familiar as you move throughout this program. I want to be clear about what we're keeping simple from the start. You don't need to focus on macros or specific numbers. You don't need to change everything at once, and you don't need to have a plan completely figured out. Early on, we're just going to be building awareness. I want you to notice how your energy, appetite, and routines feel so that we can build habits that fit your real life. We'll add structure thoughtfully and only when it supports you. Your only job right now is to get familiar with the web portal or app, whichever you're going to use, and to show up for your week 1 coaching call. That's when your coaching will begin. We'll start focusing specifically on you, your energy, your appetite, and what makes the most sense to begin with. If questions come up during this video, feel free to message me within the app with any questions that you may have. I'm really glad you're here. You don't need to rush this, and you don't have to have everything figured out right now. You're exactly where you should be. I'll see you on your week 1 call, and we'll start from there together.